Imagine turning a small patch of soil into a thriving vegetable farm that brings in cash with every harvest. Vegetable farming is more than just digging and planting. It's about understanding your soil, climate, and the best crops for your area. Start by researching what vegetables grow best in your region. Carrots, tomatoes, and peppers are great choices for beginners. Next, focus on soil health. Good soil is the backbone of successful farming. Consider testing your soil to know its nutrient levels. Once you've got your soil prepped, it's planting time. Follow recommended planting times for your chosen veggies to maximize growth. Don't forget about irrigation. Consistent watering is key. A simple drip irrigation system can save time and water. As your plants grow, stay vigilant. Watch for pests or diseases. A few preventive measures can save your crop. When harvest time arrives, it's not just about picking vegetables. It's about knowing the right moment for the best flavor and value. Lastly, think about how to sell your bounty. Farmers markets, local restaurants, or even community-supported agriculture can get your veggies to customers. Remember, farming is a journey. It may take time, but with patience and persistence, you'll see your efforts pay off. So what are you waiting for? Grab your gardening gloves and start your profitable vegetable farming journey today.